everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed, make sure that you turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you're located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I used this as an eyeshadow primer, so I just apply it all over my eyelid and then I blend it out with a damp beauty sponge and then I set it in place with translucent powder, and that just helps for me to blend my eyeshadows a little bit easier. And the eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Volume 3 palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I've absolutely been loving all of these Norvina Collection palettes. I just feel like you can create so many different looks with them and it really brings out the artist in me, if that makes sense. I mean, this isn't sponsored at all, kind of sounds sponsored, but I just really love these palettes. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade B5, and it's like a neutral light brown shade, and I just put that shade in my crease, going in back and forth motions with a fluffy blending brush. And then I went in with the shade B3, and it's this really beautiful pink shade, and I picked it up with a defined angled brush, and I just put this shade a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket versus my being in my crease and you can't see it when my eye is open, if that makes sense. So I just like to use a defined angled brush to map out where I want to add definition, and then I go back into the first transition shade. And I just went directly over that line just to blend everything out. And this is pretty much going to be like our background before we go in with the deeper eyeshadow. Next, I went in with the shade E2, and it's kind of like this deep wine brown matte shade. And I just put this directly over top of where we applied that pink eyeshadow. And then I went back into that transition shade once again just to really blend out that line. And because we layered up the eyeshadows before going in with the darker eyeshadow, it's super easy to blend out. Because even though we want the crease to be super defined, we still want it to be blended. And then for all over the lid, I went in with this product that I always used to use, the Tarte Amazonian Claypots, and they have a bunch of different colors, but I went in with the shade Fairy Wings, which is like a matte purple eyeshadow, or it's not really eyeshadow, it's like a cream product, and I just used it to clean up my eyelid and kind of like cut the crease, if you will, but it does dry pretty fast, so you just want to work pretty quickly. And then I love using these because you could use the same color as the eyeshadow that you're going to go in with, and it makes it a little bit more vibrant. And I went in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter and this NYX glitter primer. And I just packed this all over the lid. And the shade is called Team No Sleep. Next, I just applied some mascara to my lashes, and then I went in with my Shop Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. I'll always leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check out our lash brand. And I want to quickly give a shout out to all of you guys that have made a purchase on our website. It means so much to us that you guys support our small business. And the shade Bahama is one of my favorite styles right now. The style Bahama is one of my favorite styles right now because it's super flirty and it's not too long to where it's going to cover your whole eyeshadow look, but it's dramatic enough to make you feel really glam and girly. And then in my waterline, I went in with the Balm Mr. Right nude pencil. And then I just picked up that transition shade and that pink shade that we used in our crease, and I just put that along my lower lash line on the outer corner. And the very last thing that I did was I applied some mascara to my lower lashes. and I really love how this look turned out. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up to let me know that you guys liked it. And if you guys enjoy these types of videos, make sure that you subscribe so that you never miss out on any of our content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for all the love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!